Jason, I would like to send you a phone you might find good fodder for a humorous video about rabbit holes. It does not need to be returned. This guy doesn't want his phone back. Okay, so now I'm a little bit worried. If he doesn't want his phone back, what in the world did this guy send me? Well, let's get right to it. Let's cut this thing open and see what's in here that this guy doesn't want back. Maybe he sent me a perfectly working phone. It's not going to need any work at all. He'll be the first one this year. Oh boy, looks like a Galaxy Note. Ooh, Amazon Prime packaging. Oh, we have a letter. Ooh. Mr. Jason, me and this device had a fight. And I beat it. Right good, too. Please fix it. F-I-C-K-S. Oh, for the love of God, what am I getting into? He doesn't want the phone back. So, like, what am I looking at? Okay. It won't slide off. That's probably because of the adhesive on the back. Holy crap. Okay. This guy has sent me a phone with a bullet hole. Oh, and it's falling. What the f? There's not even a phone here. Aw, you're tricking me. You're the guy selling a car that's just 4 tires and it needs a few parts. Jason, the fellow who owned this phone obviously tried to kill it by taking it out in the yard and putting a bullet in it. However, it did not work. It did not die. I put the logic board in a different phone and it fired right up. No security, no passcode. Everything, all the text docs were in Russian. I factory reset it and put the logic board in inventory. Case closed. What a hoot. P.S. Pitch the remains of the deceased and close the ticket. Well, you know, I kind of have a hard time throwing anything away. So, what can we do with a Galaxy Note 4 that has had a bullet put through it? We could use it for a camera lens. I'm keeping my eye on you. Well, it doesn't make shit for a camera lens. How about a necklace? There we go, nice and conductive, just in case there's any life left in that battery. Sweet. You know what, on second thought, this really doesn't make a very good necklace either. I got it. How about an earring? It's stuck in my ear. Oh! I really don't need to build an earring if I can just modify one that I already have. I used to wear this in like junior high. Get that out of here. I'll never wear that crap again. Have I been calling this a Note 4? This is a Note 5. Now we got ourselves a fabulous Galaxy Note 5 earring. Nobody out there can say that I'm not the biggest Samsung fan. Look at me, Samsung. I'm your #1 fan. This thing don't make shit for jewelry. All right, so we'll scrap that idea. Didn't want a Galaxy Note 5 earring anyways. We could use it to work out. Let's see, we need more weight. We better add the housing. We're getting swole. We could use it as a nipple cover. Oh shit, you can still see my nipple. How about a hat? Huh? Glass everywhere. Well, this is boring. What am I gonna do with this thing? So, if you are a Russian mobster and you want to destroy your Galaxy Note 5 without anybody being able to read what's on it, aim for the right side, not the left side, because if you aim for the left side, you failed.